वेलकम टू लर्निंग मैथ स्किल्स विद काशिफ। सो आज की वीडियो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। इस वीडियो में हम आने वाले जो बोर्ड के एग्ज़ाम्स हैं इसमें जो मैथ्स के एमसीक्यूज़ के हवाले से हम इस वीडियो को करेंगे और इस वीडियो में मैं 150 एमसीक्यूज़ सॉल्व करवाऊंगा, आपको उसको मार्क करवाऊंगा। और these 150 MCQs are selected from the each exercise of your chapter and as well as from the previous past papers. So these 150 MCQs are very important for you for the preparation of upcoming exams, that is 2021. So let's start our today's MCQs video. So here are the 150 MCQs. Let's start start doing these 150 MCQs. These are very important MCQs. So let's start. इसमें कुछ MCQs हम सॉल्व करेंगे, कुछ MCQs मैं आपको साथ साथ एक्सप्लेन करता जाऊंगा और कुछ MCQs ऐसे होंगे जिनको मैं आपको गाइड कर दूंगा और आप उसको आफ्टर सोल्यूशन कर सकते हैं। अगर हर MCQs को हम सॉल्व करने लगे तो इट विल टेक अ लॉन्ग टाइम। सो इन शॉर्ट मैं आपको गाइड करता जाऊँगा। सो स्टार्ट करते हैं MCQs। सो पहला MCQs आपके पास है स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन। सो व्हाट इज द स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन? एज यू नो द स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन दैट इज ax square plus bx plus c. So B option is correct option. The number of the items in standard quadratic equation. How many terms are there? There are 3 terms. So B option is the correct answer. The third one, the number of methods to solve the quadratic equation. कितने मेथड हैं? फैक्टराइज करते हैं, कंप्लीटिंग स्क्वायर करते हैं और फार्मूला यूज करते हैं। Means there are 3 methods. C option is the correct answer. The quadratic formula for the equation, so what the formula is, as you know, minus b plus minus b square important चीज़ है, आपको आती होगी। So your correct option is A. The two linear factors of x square minus 15x plus 56. So 56 से क्या फैक्टर बन सकते हैं? 8 7s are 56. बट यहाँ पे आपने सिर्फ उनके साइंस को देखना है। We need minus, so minus 8 and minus 7. That is your B is the correct option. An equation remains unchanged when x is replaced by 1 over x is n. What type of equation is this one? 1 over x, it means that is a reciprocal equation. Okay, now question number 7, an equation of type 3x square and bx square. So what 3 square? So there is a power at the variables or the numbers, so it means that is your exponential equation, right? So come to the next one, the solution set of equations 4x square minus 16. So if we solve it, what we did, minus 16 will move on this way and we will divide with the 4. 4 से हम इसको divide करेंगे, x square is equal to 4, and when we take the square root, your answer is B, that is solution set is plus minus 2. So come to the ninth MCQs. An equation on the form of this one is also called an exponential, radical or reciprocal equation. That is a reciprocal equation. What should be done to make the coefficient of x square? तो what we did, क्या करते हैं हम? तो कोफिशिएंट से हम डिवाइड करते हैं, डिवाइडिंग द इक्वेशन बाय द कोफिशिएंट 3. सॉल्यूशन सेट ऑफ द इक्वेशन 25x square minus 1. So what is the 1 move on the other side, it will come positive, then divided by the 25 and taking square root. उसका square root करेंगे तो 1 over 5 plus minus 1 over 5 is your answer. If y is equal to 2x and 8y is equal to 1, then x. After solving this we will get our answer, that is the B, that is B. इसको आपको solve करना पड़ेगा. The solution set for the equation 5x square is equal to 30. So when we move 30 in this way and we will take 5x is common, so your one answer is 0 and the other answer is 6. So your answer is 0 and 6. So the factors of 8x square minus 8x minus 20. So what are the factors of 20? We will want minus 8, that is 10 2s are 20. So minus 10 plus 2, it means your answer is A, right? So come to the 15 MCQs है. A solution of equations which does not satisfy the equation is called real root, unequal or extraneous. It means it is extraneous root. Okay, pure quadratic equation, which one is? That is very easy. 4x square is a complete square, so that is pure quadratic equation. Cancellation of x on both sides of 5x square is equal to 30x. It means we will lose 1 root. So C is the correct option. So 18th, if y is equal to x square and 3y is equal to 5, इसको भी आपको solve करना पड़ेगा. आपका आंसर इसमें आएगा 5 over 3. B is the correct option. 19th MCQs. If b is equal to 0 in a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c, then it is called exponential, प्योर क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन, लीनियर इक्वेशन और क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन. सो इसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? दैट इज योर प्योर क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन बिकॉज b is 0. If 3x plus 4x is equal to 5, then coefficient of x square, what is the coefficient of x square? That is 3, very easy. If alpha beta are the roots of this one, then alpha plus beta. What is alpha plus beta? Alpha plus beta क्या होता है? That is minus b over a. It means 5 over 3. Here is a 5 and 3 minus b over 3. If alpha beta and this one, then find the alpha beta. What is the product of the roots? That is c over a. So what is your c? That is 4 over 7. It means again we have the one answer. जहाँ इसके साथ माइनस नहीं आता, माइनस आपके पास सम ऑफ द रूट्स में आता है. रूट्स ऑफ एन इक्वेशन 4x स्क्वायर माइनस 5x प्लस 2 आर इरेशनल, इमेजिनरी, रैशनल और नन ऑफ दिस. तो किस तरह आप इसको सॉर्ट आउट करेंगे? इसको आप पहले डिस्क्रिमिनेंट निकालेंगे, उसके बाद जो आंसर आएगा उसको आप देख के इसको देख सकते हैं. इट विल कम इमेजिनरी. क्यूब रूट्स ऑफ माइनस वन आर, क्या क्यूब रूट्स होते हैं माइनस वन के? दैट इज सिंपल माइनस वन माइनस ओमेगा एंड ओमेगा स्क्वायर. सम ऑफ द क्यूब रूट्स ऑफ यूनिटी इज, व्हाट इज योर आंसर? दैट इज ए. सम ऑफ क्या होता है? माइनस वन. द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ क्यूब रूट्स ऑफ यूनिटी इज क्या होगा? 1. दैट इज आल्सो b. So 27th, if b square minus 4ac की c is less than 0, अगर 0 से छोटे हों मतलब your discriminant is negative, then what type of the roots? The roots are imaginary, as you know. So 28th MCQs. If b square minus 4 से ac is greater than 0 but not a perfect square, then roots of ax square plus bx plus c is irrational. That is the property. If 1 over alpha plus 1 over beta is equal to, okay, means you have to solve it by taking LCM. There is a plus, so what will be your answer? D is your answer. Alpha plus beta over alpha beta. LCM लेके आप इसको solve करेंगे. यहाँ पे आप identity apply करेंगे. A square plus beta square is equal to, so what will be your answer? That is your answer. C option is your correct option. 2 square roots of unity is what? That is 1 and minus 1. A option. Roots of the equation are, again you have to take the discriminant and find the answer and you will get your answer, that is real and equal. So in 33 MCQs, if alpha beta are the roots of bx square plus c, then sum of the roots 2 alpha plus 2 beta. So what will be your answer? That is minus 2q over p. That is your answer. If alpha beta are the roots, then product of the roots is, that is c over a. Is 2 alpha plus 2 beta. So what will be your answer? That is your answer is minus 4. The nature of the roots of equation a square plus b square plus c is determined by. कैसे हम फाइंड करते हैं? हम डिस्क्रिमिनेंट से इसके रूट्स पता चल सकते हैं. पहले हम डिस्क्रिमिनेंट फाइंड करते हैं, फिर उसके बाद जो आंसर आता है उसकी मदद से आप फाइंड कर सकते हैं. सो हाउ कैन यू फाइंड द डिस्क्रिमिनेंट? दैट इज द नेक्स्ट MCQs. सिंपली b स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac, your A option. So 37 discriminant of x square minus 3x plus 3. क्या इसका डिस्क्रिमिनेंट आएगा 37 का? b स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac करें, आपका आंसर क्या आ जाएगा? माइनस 3. रूट्स ऑफ द इक्वेशन आर, अगेन यू हैव टू फाइंड द डिस्क्रिमिनेंट. ये छोटी छोटी कैलकुलेशन हैं, इसको आप साइड पे करेंगे तो आप आसानी से अपना आंसर बिल्कुल ठीक निकाल सकते हैं. सम ऑफ द रूट्स ऑफ 4x एंड सम ऑफ द रूट्स निकालना है, तो व्हाट विल बी योर आंसर? इट मीन्स यू हैव टू फाइंड माइनस b ओवर a. 3 over 4 माइनस किया तो पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा साइन आपका. इफ रूट्स ऑफ द क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन आर रियल डिस्टेंट, देन डिस्क्रिमिनेंट आर पॉजिटिव, नेगेटिव और इमेजिनरी. किस किस्म के रूट्स होते हैं? दैट इज पॉजिटिव. रूट्स आर पॉजिटिव. In a relation A ratio B, A is called relation, consequent, antecedent and none of these. क्या बोलते हैं इसको? इसको हम बोलते हैं antecedent. In relation XY B, Y is called relation, antecedent or consequent. We call it consequent because it is the second term. In a proportion D are called means. Third proportion extremes or A and D is called. Okay, A and D is called extremes because it is the n term of the proportion, right? In the proportion B and C, so B and C in the middle, so we call it means. That are from your chapter number 3. Find the proportion. How can you find the proportion? That is 4 into 15 product of means is equal to product of extremes. So 15 fours are 60 and divided by 5 we will get 12, means D is your answer. If U is proportional to V square, then U is equal to KV square. Your answer is C, right? The ratio of 1 kilometer to 600 meter is, so 1 kilometer is equal to 1000, so 1000 meter ratio 600, 2 zeros cut with 0 and 6 ratio 10 means 3 ratio 5. So you can do these small MCQs very easily. If y multiply by 1 over x cube, then there should be a sign of proportionality, not the equal. Okay, so k over x cube, that is your answer. Yes, y square is equal to k over x cube. A is your answer. In proportion 4x square, then value of b. So what do you have to do? Simply we have to product of extreme is equal to product of means. So 4x square we will get our answer, that is 9x power 4. The fourth proportion is, so again fourth proportion is unknown, means x, so we will cross multiply. 15 6 are 32 is your answer, D. The third proportion of x square plus y square, so after solving we will get our answer, that is our answer is B option, that is y square over x square. So in 52nd MCQs, if A ratio B is equal to x ratio y, then alternative property is A over x is equal to B over y, means A is your correct answer. In 53rd, if A ratio B is equal to x ratio y, then invertendo property. What is invertendo property? That is minus A minus B over x minus y, means D is your correct answer. So in 54th MCQs, if A over B is C over D, then componendo property, that is your addition property. A over A plus B is equal to C over C plus D. So if 2A, 55th MCQs, if 2A plus 1 ratio 21 is equal to 4 ratio 7. So how can you solve it? Product of extreme is equal to product of means. So after solving you will get your answer, that is A is equal to 11 over 2. So 56, the identity 5x plus 425 is a true for one value of x, all values of x, two values for x are none of these. So what will be your answer? That is all values for x, right? The quantity, the quotient, sorry, it's quotient. The quotient of two numbers or algebraic expression is called, what is called? That is fraction. Quotient words always used for the fraction. So x square is n. So what type of it is? That is a fraction, is proper or improper. If you multiply the denominators, we will get x square minus 9 square. So degree of both numerator and denominator are same, so it means it is a improper fraction. So what is improper proper fraction? If degree of the numerator is less than the denominator, then we call it a proper fraction. So what is your 59th? A function of terms with dx where nx and dx are polynomial is called a fraction. That is a definition of fraction. If you learn it, अगर आपने इसको याद किया है तो, a fraction in which degree of the numerator greater to equal or equal, अगर greater या equal हो तो उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? हम उसको बोलते हैं improper fraction. So 61th is 2x plus 1 is equal to x plus 1 is, so again we will multiply. In this case numerator की degree छोटी है denominator से, so it means that is a proper fraction. C is your correct answer. A fraction in which degree of the numerator is less than the degree of denominator, that is called a proper fraction. Okay, x square, again ये कौन सी type है? x square over x cube. It's a clear, numerator की degree छोटी है, denominator में ज़्यादा है, so it means that is a proper fraction, right? 64th MCQs. X plus 3 is equal to a linear equation, an equation, an identity, that is an identity. ये आपकी स्क्वायर की आइडेंटिटी यूज़ की गई है, राइट? विच इक्वेशन, फॉर इक्वेशन के लिए आपको क्या चाहिए होता है? इक्वेशन का साइन चाहिए होता है, बट इट इज एन आइडेंटिटी. विच फ्रैक्शन इज इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन? तो कौन सी इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन होती है जिसमें न्यूमिनेटर जो है वो डिनोमिनेटर के डिग्री बराबर हो या बड़ी हो. सो कौन सा बराबर है? दिस इज योर इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. इसमें आपकी, और ये भी आपका बी भी आपका इम्प्रॉपर है. सो इट मीन्स योर डी ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट. ओके, बोथ बी एंड सी. A collection of well-defined objects is called. Now it's from chapter 5. क्या बोलते हैं उसको? सबको definition आती होगी set की. That is the definition of set. Important definition अक्सर आ जाती है. A over B is a called of set of whole numbers, irrational numbers, natural numbers or rational numbers. G, what is here? That is fraction form. So fraction form sets को हम क्या बोलते हैं? हम इसको बोलते हैं rational numbers. The different number of ways to describe a set. How many ways to describe a set? कितने ways होते हैं describe करने के? There are 3 ways: tabular form, sentence form and descriptive form. A set with no element is called. कोई element नहीं है उसको क्या बोलते हैं? We call it empty set. The set of x whole numbers is less than. It is an infinite set, subset, finite set or null set. It is an infinite. Why it is infinite? Because the last value is given to you. The set is consist of less than or equal than 101, right? The set having only one element is called singleton set. It's not a null set क्योंकि इसमें एक element है. The power set of an empty set. What will be the answer? Power set of an empty set, it's this one. D is the answer because the power set is consist of all the subset of a set. So empty set have only one subset, that's empty set. So it means this D option is the correct option. The number of elements in a power set 1 2 3. 3 elements, it means 2 raised to power 3 to 2 2s are 4 4 2s are 8. Total 8 elements in the power set of 3 elements. If A is the subset of A, then A union B is equal to. So what is A is a subset of A, so it means that is equal to B because we are going to find the union. And if A is a subset of B and we are going to find A, so A whole set is part of B, so when we are going to take the intersection common, so A is your answer. Next one is if A is a subset of B, then A minus B is. What is A minus B is? That is your C, empty set. This one, now it's make it red. 77, that is a associative property. A associative property of union. So what is the correct property? That is wrong, that is wrong. This is one is correct one. A union B union C. C option is correct one. If A and B are the disjoint sets, then A union B is equal to B union A. Union is combination of all sets from both sets. So 7, that is the distributive property of union over intersection. So what will be your answer? A union B intersection A union C. Your answer is A. You have to learn these properties. 80th MCQs. If number of elements in a set A is 3, in a set B is 4, the number of elements in A into B, 4 3s are 12. Cartesian product. If number of elements in a set A is 3 and set B is 2, then number of binary relations. So how many total elements? 3 2s are 6. So 2 raised to power 6 means B is your correct answer. Okay, what is domain and range? The domain is this one. So first elements always belongs to domain. So what will be your answer? 0 2 and 3. And range, what are the range? The second elements of the set ordered pair is called range. So what will be the range? That is 1 2 3 and 4. Again we have the C answer. In both cases we have the C answer. So 84th MCQ, the point -1 and 4 lies in the quadrant. How many quadrants are there? कितने quadrants होते हैं? 4 quadrants होते हैं. तो किस में lie करेगा? X is negative, इसमें the quadrant 2 में lie करेगा, right? Which of the following is the commutative law? Commutative law is between two sets. It means that is A intersection B is equal to, no, it's not. This is A union B is equal to B union A. So your correct option is B, not the D. A group. Now we can move forward to the unit number 6, that is statistic. So let's start the MCQs from statistic. A group frequency table is also called data frequency polygon frequency distribution. क्या बोलते हैं इसको? Frequency distribution. 87. A histogram is a set of adjacent circles rectangles. क्या बनाते हैं histogram में? हम rectangles बनाते हैं. A frequency polygon is a many-sided closed figure, square, rectangle or circular. So what shape is a frequency polygon? That is closed figure. A cumulative frequency table is also called frequency distribution, data, bar graph and less than cumulative. I think there is a mistake in these. So correct answer is your C option, that is less than the cumulative. In cumulative frequency polygon, frequencies are plotted against midpoint, upper class, class limits or tally. So where they are plotted, that is against the upper class boundary. 91. The arithmetic mean is a measurement that determines a value of variable by their number, denominator, group or mean. So which one is the number? That is the number. A deviation is defined as a difference of any value of a variable from constant, histogram, sum or data. So what is called? That is deviation from a constant. A set data in the form of frequency distribution is called group data. Mean is a variable with similar observations. Say constant is negative, k itself absolute or 0. So what we call it, it is k itself. Mean is affected by the change in value, origin, ratio and proportion, that is from origin. Mean is affected by the change in place, scale, rate and pressure. Again the options are different but the statement is same. So what will be your answer? Your answer in this is scale. Why not its rate? Okay, change in scale. Sum of the deviations of the variables x from its mean is always 0, 1, same and negative. So it's always from 1. 98th MCQs. The nth positive root of the product of x1, x2, x1 observation is called geometric mean. Okay, you know the formula of geometric mean. Why it is not highlighted? Now it is highlighted. The value obtained by the reciprocating the mean of reciprocals xy. तो क्या कौन सा mean होता है? That is harmonic mean. The most frequent occurring observation in the data is called mode. So we completed 100 MCQs, only 50 are left. Stay tuned to this video. Don't leave your chairs. The measure which determines the middlemost observation of data is called median. The observation that divides a data set into 4 equal parts are called decile, quartile, percentile. That are quartiles. 4th part, decile 10th part and percentile 100. Okay, the spread or scatteredness of observation in the data of set is called average centered dispersion. B is option. The measure of the are that used to determine the degree or extent of variations in a data set are called dispersion, average, central tendency or object. What we call? We call it dispersion. The extent of variations between two extreme observation of data is measured by average, range and quartile. That is range. कैसे रेंज फाइंड करते हैं? सब्ट्रैक्ट द लीस्ट वैल्यू फ्रॉम द हाईएस्ट वैल्यू. सबसे बड़ी वैल्यू में से सबसे छोटी वैल्यू हम माइनस करते हैं और उससे हमें हमारी रेंज मिल जाती है. तो रेंज फॉर दिस वन इज, सबसे बड़ी वैल्यू कौन सी है? सबसे बड़ी वैल्यू आपकी है 110 और सबसे छोटी वैल्यू कौन सी है डाटा में? दैट इज 49 I think. So subtract 110 from 49. What we get? We get 61 is our answer. The number of time value appears on a set of data is called frequency. Easy definition of frequency. The square of standard deviation is variance. Last exercise में आपने questions किए होंगे. In class 2029 midpoint or class mark is we will add and divide it by 2. So what will be your answer? That is 24.5. In a set of data, the median is. So what is the median? First we will arrange. हम इसको पहले arrange करेंगे. ये already arranged है. So we will center term is 51. So your answer is A. Okay. Now come to the trigonometry. अब हम trigonometry की तरफ आते हैं और उसके बाद हमारे कुछ ज्योमेट्री के MCQs रह जाएंगे. थक तो नहीं गए? थक गए हैं तो you need some energy, like. So keep motivating yourself for the remaining MCQs, right? It's very important for you. So 1/10 is important, very common identity of trigonometry, that is sin square plus cos square theta is equal to 1. In which quadrant theta lies when theta is less than 0 and cos theta is less than 0 and sin theta is also less than 0? So where it lies? It lies in the third quadrant. 1 plus cot theta is equal to cos square theta secant square theta or sin square theta, that is equal to sin square theta. 114. The union of two non-collinear rays which has common endpoint is called an angle. Is called an angle. This is the definition of angle. 3 pi over 4 radians is equal to, we will multiply with it is 180 over pi. So after solving we will get our answer, that is 135 degree. The system of measurement in which the angle is measured is called CGS system. 20 degree is equal to, if we convert the 20 degree into minutes, that is 3600. Okay, secant square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta, 1 plus cos square theta and 1 plus tan theta is your correct answer. Secant theta into cot theta, that is equal to, after getting the simplify we will get our answer, and our answer is 1 over sin theta. So 1 over 2 cos secant 45, cosecant 45 यानी कि उसकी वैल्यू को हमने हाफ भी करना है. So what will be the cosecant value? That is your 1 over 2 square root. B option is the correct. Radii of the circles are all equal. Yes, all equal. A is the correct answer. 122nd MCQ. A chord passing through the center of a circle is called diameter. If it is not passing through the circle, then we call it a chord, right? 123. Right bisector of a chord of a circle always passes through the secant. The circular region bounded by the radii and the corresponding arc is called, what we call it? That is the segment of a circle. No, I don't think so. That is a segment, that is a circle or a sector of a circle. So make it correct. It's not correct answer is not the D. Correct answer is the B, right? गलती किसी से भी हो सकती है. The distance of any point of the circle to its center is called. Okay, what we call it? We call it radius. And radius of a circle always remains the same. So 126th option is the locus of a point and a plane equidistant from a fixed point is called circumference. So 128, a line which has 2 points in common with the circle is called sine of a circle, tangent of a circle, secant of a circle. Okay, a line which has only 1 point in common with circle is called sine of a circle, cosine of a circle, it is called tangent of a circle, right? 130th MCQ. A tangent line intersects the circle at single point. Yes, two tangents drawn to a circle from a point outside its area of half of the length, double of the length or equal of the length. So it is the equal of the length. A circle has only one secant chord diameter or center, that is center. It's also have the same only one diameter. So both answers you can mark, but I think center is the exact answer. Yes. Tangents drawn at the end of the diameter of a circle are to each other. Okay, what are they each other? They are parallel to each other. The distance two between the center of two congruent touching circles externally is of zero length, the radius of each circle, the diameter of each circle twice the each circle. So that is the diameter of the each circle. C is your 4 centimeter long chord subtended at a central angle of 60. The radial segment of this circle is, that is 4, that is the remain same. Yes, D option is correct option. So 136th MCQs, that is the length of a chord and radial segment of a circle are congruent. The central, it's not control angle, it's a central angle made by the chord will be 30-60. Yes, that is a 60 degree. Out of two congruent arcs of a circle, if one arc makes a central angle of 30 degree, then the other arc will subtended at the center angle of 30 degree. That is your theorem. An arc subtends a central angle of 40 degree, then the corresponding chord will subtended a central angle of. What will be your answer? Your answer is 40 degree. C is the correct answer. 139th. A pair of chords of a circle subtended to congruent central angle is congruent. Yes, they are the same. The semi-circumference and diameter of a circle both subtended a central angle of 180 degree. The circumference of a circle is called chord segment boundary. That is called boundary of the circle. A line intersecting a circle is called tangent, secant, chord, or a radius. What we call it? We call it secant. The portion of circle between two radii and arc is called sector, segment, chord, or diameter. So what we call it? We call it a sector. Angle inscribed in a semicircle is pi by 2, pi by 3, pi by 4, or 2 pi. So what will be your answer? Your answer is pi by 2, 180. The length of the diameter of circle, how many times the radius? It's double the radius. 2. The tangent of the radius, tangent and radius of a circle, the point of contact are. What are the point of contact? That are perpendicular. They are perpendicular to each other. The measure of external angle of a regular hexagon. What is the regular hexagon? That is pi over 4. Tangents drawn at the end points of the diameter of a circle are parallel, radius, perpendicular, or intersecting. That is are also parallel. I think it's repeated. हम इसको पहले भी कर चुके हैं. Okay, 149th. So now 149th. How many common tangents can be drawn from two touching circles? How many? That are A means 2 tangents can be drawn. So how many common tangents can be drawn for two disjoint circles? That is 3 tangents can be drawn from two disjoint circles. सो स्टूडेंट्स, आपने 150 MCQs देखे जो हमने सॉल्व किए, हमने उसको मार्क किया. उम्मीद है कि आपने भी साथ साथ अपनी बुक के ऊपर मार्क कर लिया होगा और आपको इन 150 MCQs की समझ भी आ गई होगी और इसमें से को 50% आपको लर्न भी हो गए होंगे. तो दिस इज़ द ईजिएस्ट वे टू लर्न द MCQs. इस वीडियो को आप 1-2 दफ़ा देखें तो आपको ये MCQs टिप्स पे याद हो जाएंगे, क्योंकि एक चीज़ जब आप बार बार उसको आपकी नज़रों के सामने से गुजरती है और साथ अगर आप उसकी रीडिंग करेंगे तो आपके वो माइंड में डबल स्ट्राइक करती है और ये आपकी मेमोरी में चीज़ें रह जाती हैं. तो उम्मीद है कि ये वीडियो ये जो 150 MCQs है ये आपको बहुत ज़्यादा सपोर्ट करेंगे बोर्ड की तैयारी के लिए, और आने वाले बोर्ड के एग्ज़ाम भी आपके लिए बहुत अहम है, क्योंकि आपको पता है इस बोर्ड के एग्ज़ाम में आप जो भी मार्क्स लेंगे ऑब्टेन करेंगे उसी को डबल होना है. तो और ये कैरियर में आपके कैरियर में ये एग्ज़ाम्स बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. सो डू प्रैक्टिस दिस MCQs एट योर होम. डू वॉच दिस वीडियो अगेन एंड अगेन so that you can prepare your MCQs, and at the end don't forget to share this video with your friends for the good results in board exams. So stay tuned with learning math skills for more videos.